March 5, 2022 is a Saturday. Welcome to your daily weather for Oklahoma City. The temperature today should reach up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 40%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got strong wind at about 26 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be cold with moderate rain. Monday is going to be cold with light rain. Tuesday is going to be cold with overcast clouds. Wednesday is going to be cold with clear sky. Thursday is going to be cold with few clouds. Friday is going to be cold with clear sky. Critical fire weather conditions Saturday. A dry line will progress across western and central Oklahoma and western North Texas on Saturday. Behind this dry line, very warm, dry, and windy conditions are expected. Fire weather watch in effect from Saturday morning through Saturday evening for western, northern, and central Oklahoma, and all of western North Texas. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a fire weather watch, which is in effect from Saturday morning through Saturday evening. Timing 0.10 a.m. Saturday to 8 p.m. Saturday. Winds, southwest 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Relative humidity, as low as 10%. Temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s. Impacts, any fires that start will be difficult to contain. Critical fire weather conditions Saturday. A dry line will progress across western and central Oklahoma, and western North Texas on Saturday. Behind this dry line, very warm, dry, and windy conditions are expected. Red flag warning in effect from Saturday morning through Saturday evening for western, northern, and portions of central Oklahoma and western North Texas. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a red flag warning, which is in effect from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time Saturday. The fire weather watch is no longer in effect. Timing 0.10 a.m. Saturday to 8 p.m. Saturday. Winds, southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Relative humidity, as low as 10%. Temperatures, upper 70s to lower 80s. Impacts, any fires that start will be difficult to contain. And now for the news. Warning, some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Oklahoma news, Panasonic may be planning a huge new U.S. battery factory, report says Roadshow. Panasonic has long been a cell supplier to Tesla, and now it's looking like that partnership is about to get bigger. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but U.S. oil and gas rig count holds steady this week. Baker Hughes. Reuters. March 4. Reuters. U.S. energy firms this week cut the number oil rigs even as Russia's invasion of Ukraine drove crude prices to their highest since 2008. U.S. In other Oklahoma news, referral fee case against Labaton ends with a jurisdictional whimper. Reuters.com. Law firms related documents. The company and law firm names shown above are generated automatically based on the text of the article. For our next story, the Barnacle, a boot alternative parking enforcement device. Several years ago this Barnacle device entered the market, intended as a design improvement over the incumbent parking E.N. for cement device, the boot. That's it, Oklahoma. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).